Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to change language on the TD Bank app. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So the TD app is accessible in multiple languages, including English, French, traditional Chinese, and simplified Chinese. The language displayed in the TD app is automatically determined by the language settings on your device. If your device language is set to a language not supported by the TD app, it will default to English. This language versatility aims to cater to diverse user base, ensuring that individuals can navigate and use the TD app comfortably in their preferred language. Users can easily customize their language preference based on their device settings, allowing for more inclusive and user-friendly experience. In an instance where a non-supported language is selected, the app seamlessly defaults to English to maintain clarity and ease of use for all users. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.